Dorothy Dash Tunstall.
Very good. And Dorothy, what were you doing during World War II?
I was a wave in the U.S. Navy. I was a yeoman, which is an office worker, and I joined up the day after Thanksgiving in 1942 here in Portland, Oregon, because they had just opened up the office here to women. And I didn't have any brothers, so I figured I had to go down and represent the family.
Very good.
So I had a wonderful 2 years in the service.
Was that do you have a lot of memories that are good memories of that time for you personally?
Oh, I enjoyed all of my time in the service.
Nice.
A lot of it, you had to be a good sport. You had to be able to roll with the punches. A lot of they did tell you to do sometimes things that you think were rather unnecessary or crazy to do, but everybody did just laugh and do it and carry on.
What was your favorite thing about it?
I don't know. I guess fellowship with the girls from all different parts of the country.
Oh, wow.
It was interesting. And you felt, and I just felt I was a part of something important in World War II time.
I always look back at it and think it was the time when our country was strong and they pulled together. Would you agree with that?
Yes, I would agree with that. I think we were all there because we were hoping to make the world a better place and hoping we had just one little part of it.